websites and apps should be usable for everyone. They must meet accessibility requirements. But how can users know if the requirements are being met? Soon, websites and apps serving users in Norway must provide an accessibility statement. What does this mean for those who manage websites or apps? Step 1. Notification. You will be informed that you must create an accessibility statement. This is required by law, initially for the public sector. Step 2. WCAG requirements. If you are not familiar with Accessibility and Design for All, familiarize yourself with the WCAG requirements, the international guidelines for accessible web content. Step 3. Testing. Test your website or app against the requirements. You can perform the tests yourself, use a testing suite, or get help from an expert. Step 4. Create an accessibility statement. Log into uustatus.no and create an accessibility statement for your website or app. Step 5. Complete the accessibility statement. Using the findings from your tests, fill out each section in the accessibility statement. Step 6. Publish. When you've filled everything out, publish the accessibility statement. You will then get a link to the published accessibility statement. Place this in the footer of your website. For apps, make it easy to find the link so users can quickly check how accessible you are. Read more about accessibility statements at uutilsynet.no.